Welcome to Perry's Biology. Today we'll discuss important MCQs on genetics. Here we go. The Z-DNA helix is, answer is, it is favored by alternate GC pairs. We'll discuss other points of Z-DNA. It is a double helical structure. It is left-handed, has a zigzag pattern. It has a significant role in regulation of type 1 interferon. Z-DNA is also associated with systematic lupus erythematosus. It is denoted as SLE. Second question, Agent Orange is a, answer is dioxin containing weedicide. It is a tactical chemical used as weedicide. Other points are it is a herbicide and also a defoliant. What is defoliant? Defoliant is causing leaves to fall off from plants as well as in trees. This chemical in human causes neural disorders such as Parkinson's diseases and other diseases such as diabetes and several forms of cancer. It is also denoted as TCDD. It is abbreviated as 2378 tetrachlorodibenzoparadioxin. Next question. The chromosome appears as beaded structure in. Answer is leptoteen. Other points are prophase 1 is the longest stage of meiosis 1. It is the first stage of meiosis. Next question is net gain of ATP molecules in glycolysis is. The answer is 2. Other points are glycolysis creates ATP and NADPH through substrate level phosphorylation. The net products in glycolysis are 2 ATP molecules, 2 NADH molecules and 2 pyruvate molecules. Plant movement that takes place in response to contact stimuli is called, answer is thigmotropic movement. Other points are it is a directional growth movement, occurs as a mechanosensory response to touch stimulus. This thigmotropic movement is found in twinning plants and tendrils. This movement occurs due to the action of hormone auxin. Question is, the female sex organ of batroc spermum is called as. The answer is Carpagonium. Other points are, it is a type of algae found in freshwater. It belongs to Rhodophyceae species. Male organ is Antheridia or Spermatogonia. Female organ is Carpagonia. Next question is, the most preferred organism for industrial production of recombinant insulin is. Answer is Pichia. Other points are, it is a recombinant insulin, has a fastest onset of action and has lower immunogenicity than a traditional pork or insulin. Pichia pastoris is popular choice because high yields can be achieved. It is a methylotropic yeast, belongs to class Ascomycetes. It is preferred for production of recombinant protein. Next question is, diversity encompass, answer is species richness. Other points are, it is a simplest measure of species diversity. Species richness is either a number of species within a given sample, community or area. Next question is, eukaryotic mRNA can be separated from total RNA by. Answer is affinity chromatography. Other points are, it is a method of separating a biomolecule from mixture based on highly specific macromolecular binding. The specific binding interaction depends on antigen antibody or enzyme substrate or receptor ligand or protein nucleic acid. It is highly selective and resolution of separation compared to other chromatographic methods. Next question is, the stimuli and signals that activate signals transduction pathways are termed as. Answer is agonist. Agonist is defined as a substance which initiates physiological response when combined with the receptor.